Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about to lock an object and why you would, and then how to unlock, and more about that. So I've got this photograph of the lake and from a GPS, and I've done several videos on this. I've got the photo in the background so I can see the lake river, and my lake doesn't match this particularly, but I marked a blue spot, and then I've got a house. So one thing, I've got the map locked, so I can't move anything because that's what I don't want to disturb anything. But a lot of times you'll have a trouble grabbing the map or the photo of the map because of the fact that it's in the back of the page. Well, if you hold down the Alt key, it will grab it, and then you could manipulate it around. And with that same thing, let's just delete that now. And I've got this locked, but I want to unlock that one house to move it around. I can go up to arrange and unlock just that one object. And then I could move that object around and it would still be, everything else would still be locked. So you can unlock one object, or you can unlock all the objects. So you go to arrange, lock, and unlock all objects. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.